Want to know which electric luxury cars will dominate 2025? From silent speed machines to ultra-futuristic interiors, this list will blow your mind. Stay tuned. The future is electric, and luxury is being redefined like never before. In 2025, electric vehicles will be about more than sustainability, they will be about unmatched comfort, prestige, and innovation. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a trend seeker, or someone chasing elegance on wheels, this list is for you. Ready to experience the ultimate blend of technology and class? Let's drive in. Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 Matic flagship luxury electric sedan from Mercedes for 2025. Comes with a futuristic hyperscreen dashboard stretching across the cabin. Offers up to 410 miles of range with dual-motor all-wheel drive. The ride is ultra-quiet, spacious, and filled with high-end features. Perfect for those who love elegance and smooth performance. Tesla Model S Plaid 2025, known for its lightning-fast acceleration and minimalist luxury. Goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, supercar performance in a sedan. Over 400 miles of electric range with an all-new battery pack. Comes with a yoke-style steering wheel and gaming-level entertainment system. A favorite for tech lovers who crave top-tier speed. Lucid Air Sapphire, the ultimate luxury sedan from Lucid Motors in 2025. Delivers over 1,200 horsepower with unmatched interior craftsmanship. Offers more than 427 miles of range per charge. Sleek design, spacious interior, and elite driving feel. A true rival to Rolls-Royce, but fully electric. BMW i7 M70 xDrive, BMW's most powerful all-electric sedan in 2025. Dual motors with 650 horsepower for thrilling yet refined driving. Interior is loaded with ambient lighting, massage seats, and a rear theater screen. Features a crystal iDrive knob and executive lounge-style seating. Quiet luxury with German precision in every mile. Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. The 2025 Taycan GT brings racing spirit to luxury EVs. Updated performance, sharper handling, and motorsport-grade acceleration. Interior features fine leather, real metal accents, and Porsche's signature drive feel. A luxury car that delivers track-level thrills with everyday comfort. Bold, stylish, and built for speed with sophistication. Audi A6 e-tron. Audi's new midsize electric luxury sedan for 2025. Sleek, coupe-like profile with premium materials throughout. Up to 400 miles range and ultra-fast charging support. Features next-gen matrix LED lights and a quiet, refined cabin. A beautiful balance of subtlety, style, and electric performance. Rolls-Royce Spectre, the first ever fully electric Rolls-Royce, for 2025. Built with signature luxury and whisper quiet EV performance. Over 300 miles of range with unmatched cabin comfort. Features star-lit headliner, coach doors, and handcrafted materials. A symbol of status, reinvented for the electric age. Cadillac Celestiq, the most luxurious Cadillac ever made, 100% electric. Each model is hand-built and customizable down to the smallest detail. Massive 55-inch pillar-to-pillar touchscreen dominates the dashboard. Rear seats come with entertainment screens and ultra-soft recliners. It's not just a car, it's a rolling 5-star suite. Genesis Electrified G80, a refined and elegant electric sedan from South Korea's luxury brand. Delivers comfort-first driving with high-end materials inside. Up to 282 miles of range, perfect for business and leisure. Silent ride, sleek design, and loaded with tech. Affordable compared to European competitors, but just as premium. Polestar 3, a Scandinavian take on luxury electric SUVs. Sporty yet minimalist with an eco-friendly interior. Dual motors deliver 510 horsepower and up to 300 miles of range. Designed for families who want luxury, space, and sustainability. Comes with Google-based infotainment and advanced driver assistance. Jaguar I-Pace 2025 refresh, sleeker, smarter, and more luxurious than ever in 2025. Delivers up to 292 miles of range with dynamic driving. New materials, quieter ride, and updated infotainment system. Still one of the most stylish EV crossovers on the road. A modern British luxury experience with electric power. Bentley XP100 GT, pre-production showcased Bentley's vision of electric luxury in 2025, stunning and futuristic. Fully electric with ultra-fast charging and high torque. Smart glass roof, rotating seats, and scent-controlled climate. A luxury lounge on wheels designed for 2030 but teased for 2025. The future of opulence, previewed today. NIO ET7 Chinese electric luxury sedan making waves globally in 2025. Over 620 miles of range with solid-state battery option. Features AI voice assistant and facial recognition unlocking. Sleek design with a clean, high-tech interior. A global challenger with serious style and substance. Lexus RZ 450e Luxury Edition. Lexus brings its reputation for comfort to the electric world. Plush materials, soft ambient lighting, and whisper-quiet cabin. Advanced steering by wire and direct four-wheel control. Ideal for drivers who prioritize serenity, style, and reliability. Japanese luxury meets futuristic performance. Rivian R1S Launch Edition, the ultimate electric luxury SUV for explorers in 2025. Spacious 7-seater with off-road capability and refined luxury. Offers up to 400 miles range and lightning-fast acceleration. Built in the USA with premium materials and unique features. A blend of rugged adventure and high-end comfort. These electric luxury cars are not just vehicles, they're experiences. 2025 is shaping up to be a golden year for innovation, style, and sustainability. Which one would you want to drive or dream of owning? Comment your favorite below. Are you Team Tesla, Team Mercedes, or all in for Lucid? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more luxury insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Use cinematic music in the background for a high-class feel. Add real video clips or stock footage of each car model. Use smooth transitions and on-screen text for key specs. Incorporate gold or black themed luxury graphics to match your brand.